Hey guys, have you ever wondered how you can apply a transparency to an image in the PowerPoint? Let me just show you that there is no such option in PowerPoint where you can apply a transparency to an image. If I do a right click on an image and I select format picture, you see I'll go to fill. Here I don't see a transparency options. Okay, there is a trick how you can do that. Let me just show you how. First, go to insert, take a rectangular shape and draw a rectangular shape on above the image. Make sure that you fill the whole area of that image. Okay, this is perfect. Alright, I'll just remove the borderline now and send it to back. Now cut this image. Okay, say Ctrl X on a keyboard or right click, cut, and then click on this box that we have drawn. Right click on it, go to format shape, and here go to picture and text, texture fill. You see there is an option called Clipboard. When I cut the image from the slide on from the slide, that image is stored on the clipboard of the computer, and from there I'm just recalling that image. I click here and you see that box is filled with that image. Now you get an option of transparency. If I move this, look, it is working. Isn't that great? So this is how you can apply a transparency on an image in PowerPoint presentation. So since we have did the transparency, we have applied transparency now. It would be great if we have some other image and wanted to make sure that it fits within this image. Let's say an example, I just do a resize of this image. I want to place it here. Wow, beautiful. So this is how you can play around with the images, applying a transparent and merging the image at the same time. Or else, let's say for example, if you want to insert any shape for that matter, I'll include a shape. I wanted to put a box over there or probably a circle over here. I'll put it over here. I'll say send to back. Look, isn't it looking great? So this is how you can create a beautiful presentation, and with the help of such tricks you can also create a cover page. So one more thing, like the Office 365 does has this feature now. I hope you found this video useful. Go ahead and try it out yourself to see the changes in your presentation.